So Krista is our first model today. Krista is wearing a 1960s multicolored sheath dress with mandarin we like to call the domino dress. This kicky Poly number is a perfect dress for go-go dancing with the Janes or a night out on the town. Poly GoLightly. Thank you, Krista. Our next model, Sarah, is making quite a splash of color in this vibrant purple 1960s skirted swimsuit. You can just feel the golden rays of the sun. She's wearing her protective sun hat and shades. A collection of enamel flower pins, extra punch of flower power. Swimsuit, pins, bag, sunglasses, all available from Poly GoLightly Vintage. Thank you, Sarah. Alex is wearing an early 1960s fit and flare dress in a light blue polka dot brand. Ruched and ruffled bust with bow detail and adorable and flirty charm on this darling swinging dress. Turquoise rhinestone earrings, a baby blue vinyl handbag, and Alex's own cat's eye glasses complement the look. Dress, earrings, and purse are all available from Poly GoLightly Vintage. Thank you, Alex. Our next model, Nancy, is wearing this demure yet alluring black wiggle dress. No.
Lisa.
Lisa, can you do Lisa?
Wearing a 1960s textured cotton floral sheath dress with a garden party feel. Perfect for spring and summer. And for carrying all the essentials, she's sporting a large woven straw tote blooming with even more flowers. All of this is available from Poly GoLightly Vintage. Thank you, Lisa.
Christina.
All right. Christina embodies cool summer glamour wearing an early 1970s sleeveless cotton maxi dress that flares well as a sophisticated resort casual dress or a nighttime formal in cool textured cotton. Red enameled hoop earrings and a crochet beaded ring add a pop of color to the monochromatic dress. These are all available also from Poly GoLightly Vintage. Thank you, Christina. And now Nancy. Nancy is wearing this demure yet alluring black wiggle dress with sheer overlay, gathered bust, and tie detail. A black and white tweed capelet keeps her from getting too chilled at that formal occasion or night spot. Dress in gold tone and pearl hoop earrings are available from Poly GoLightly Vintage. Thank you, Nancy.